Hi, welcome back.
Oh, shoot, you got one.
I got one.
Okay, a little tiny thing. So,
We're out here. We're fishing. We got a couple tip-ups out. We got a rattle reel over here, so when the fish pulls it, it'll just make noise and we can pull up the line. We got another rattle reel down over here. She just caught a little bluegill. Whatever, we're catching fish. We've had a couple nicer bluegills come through, so it's like, all right, let's turn the camera on. We might be able to make a video, show you guys what we're doing. We're just doing some fishing. Whether we catch bluegills, crappie, perch. Our tip-ups are set up for walleye, so we'll see if any walleyes come through. That'd be cool if we could catch a walleye or two. But we're gonna do some jigging. Show you guys the big ones, I guess, so we can catch some decent ones. And pretty much, we're just on a big old flat, and you can see there's a couple bluegills right there on her. Those do look smaller, but like this guy looks pretty decent. That's coming over. Ooh, that one right there, that's coming up. Oh, he's gonna smoke ya. That's a crappie. You got him? I bet you that's a crop. No.
You're just a tank gill.
There's a big bluegill. During the intro, we're still shooting an intro.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. All right, so there's some decent ones down there. So yeah, we're gonna start fishing. Pretty
We're
sweet.
gonna have a family night on the ice.
Yeah, we got Ellie Belly with us. She's just crazed about them fish. She's like, I want them.
Oh my gosh, that's such a solid bluegill.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Bye, buddy. So let's go fishing. Ellie, do you want us to pull a fish up? Oh, Mama's got one.
Oh, I got one. Just a little guy.
Ooh, super tiny.
Yeah.
Look at that tail wagging. It's such a happy dog.
Tiny.
Such a happy dog. Here we go. I got one looking right at me. Jig, 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 jig. Oh, gosh.
That's a tank.
Yeah, it is. I was going to slow it down, but he just hammered it. Oh, look at that thing.
Oh my gosh.
I got on this, like, little fish looking thing, honey.
Yeah.
It's like a, I don't know, I forget what these are called. Look at that. He just hammered that. Unreal. Say hi, Ellie. Give him a kiss. Bite.
Oh yeah.
I was just trying
That's
something different.
kinda different, really different.
Yeah, oh yeah. I was one of them old like Z vibes or something like that. I forget exactly what they're called.
Just need to.
At some point, these are all going to disappear, and then hopefully we'll have a walleye come up to us. Because that'd be cool to catch a walleye. Goal tonight is a walleye in the shack. If not, we're going to caught some dandy bluegills already.
Oh! Oh my gosh, what's going on? Big gills.
Decent ones, yeah. That one's shooting over to you. Oh!
Got him.
Ooh!
I think the little one.
You got the little one.
Yeah.
He's medium.
He's medium. He's a hater.
Yeah,
He's a hater.
for sure. Oh, the big one's coming to me. Oh! He just smacked and then I missed. Ellie's like, I can get it.
Yeah, you can, Ellie.
There you go. Getting
Yeah.
better. Ooh, we got a good fish coming in on the right.
Ooh, yes, sir. Sure, I like it.
Go, tip up. Wasn't that sideways when I put it down? Something might have smacked it good.
I think something did smack it really good. It might be.
There was a giant pike swimming around today too.
There's definitely
Only took out a foot of line, probably
it's
a
little.
big perch. What's a walleye? Hey,
I love the color of them here. They're so pretty.
that is what we are
I
after.
inhaled that minnow.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, do we get to keep our minnow? Oh, heck yeah.
He's
Look at that
tiny.
little guy. Okay.
See you later, buddy.
Woo!
That's why the tip up was sideways, because
He wham! You think so?
Yeah.
On the board. There we go.
another giant. Oh my gosh, look at that. Huge. Just a tank. Hey. Bye, buddy. Oh my gosh. This guy's gonna come and hammer me. Oh yeah, this is big. This is crappie. Just kidding. Nice bluegill. Ellie's like, I want to eat. Can I eat it? That'll make a sandwich.
What if I put wax on this? They'll eat it.
Well, probably with the back of the hook. Got him. Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
Oh yeah, this is big.
Ellie. Nice.
Just heavy fighter, shoulders, round guy, big tail, all of it. Yeah, nice fish.
I think your crappie are coming, honey.
Crappies are on their way.
There we go. There you go.
Get them.
Yep, he's coming.
Big spoon for a little gill.
Yep. They are just aggressive.
Ooh, that guy's cruising in for you.
Kiss him.
Ooh. Oh. Rattle reel just rattled.
Ooh, that's a tank.
Oh my goodness,
my
honey.
Gosh.
That is a giant.
He's huge.
That's probably 8.5.
Oh my gosh. Compared to the little dinks I've been catching.
Yeah, that is definitely solid.
Yeah, he needs help with all these troubles.
Yeah, he does, eh?
Yep.
So that's when we take out our little picky thing. We take our little pick and we put our pick in there and then just turn it around on them. And then usually it just pops right on out. Hold her tight. We gotta go this way. There it is. Boom.
Oh my gosh, he's
That is a fat bluegill. And he's fine. He's gone. See?
He's out.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
No picture with that one.
It's alright.
You'll catch another.
That was a nice.
That was a solid bluegill. Pretty guy. Just kidding. What she got?
I got a. This is a nicer fish.
Nicer fish.
Nicer.
Solid.
Fish.
Big old bluegill again.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. That'd be a keeper if we were keeping. So.
Oh no, this is a breeder, baby.
Well, true. We have, I didn't show you guys this earlier, but look at this. We have green beans and we have venison. And I just hung them up here on the little hooks because of the heater thawing them out. And we got the cooker, pan, seasonings, all of it, some propane. And yeah, we're gonna cook out here too. I didn't tell you guys that from the get-go. But we're gonna set the tripod up over here in this corner so you can check things out while we're fishing. The second one was him head shaking to spit it out.
Really?
So I watched it bite you. Yep.
I wanted him to suck it in.
He had it and he was shaking his head to spit it out and then you set the hook. Another one. There you are. Doubles.
Same
Doubles.
one that just came off.
Look at that. Ellie says, let me see, mama.
Guy.
Yeah, unreal. There we go. This one's decent.
Whoa!
Holy.
They're loving that little jig.
Yeah.
Those monster gills are loving that
Wow. Look at that thing.
That thing's insane.
That's a 9.
Forehead.
Yeah, that's all a 9 all day. Right, Ellie? She says, yeah, Papa. Ooh. Solid. That looks like a decent fish, though. Holy.
You're just over there with one right on.
Just like slabby dabbies. Look at that thing. Wow. Ellie, you gonna heat up your butt on the heater? Oh, there we go. This one's big. I don't know if this is a bluegill. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Holy. See how much bigger that one is now?
See how much bigger this fish is compared to the ones that I was catching? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And yours is smaller.
I see that.
Okay?
Big lures, big fish.
Yep.
Here we go. Starting to cook. You got a crappie?
Oh, might be.
Yeah. It's a decent one.
Yeah.
Nice. As we're cooking dinner, let me get a little snap of that. Nice. He's going. Oh, rattle reel. Rattle reel. Here we go. Here we go. We're cooking dinner. That's all we gotta do is just start getting the butter going. You better smack that.
Smack that rattle reel.
Smack that? Yeah, go for it. Hook set him. Got him?
Yep. Oh, it just popped off.
Yeah.
When he hooks it. Yep. Just popped off.
Dang it. Probably just a little crop, because that one was a fathead anyways, like I said. Venison. There we go. Shipshawana happy salt. Stuff is delicious, guys. Call that good. There we go. Venison. Green beans.
Over there.
Oh my goodness, these things taste like summertime. Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Somebody just ate me.
yeah, you got a big fish. It's big. Haha, crappie. Thought he was bigger than that, but hey,
Yeah.
we'll take it.
There we go.
You weren't even. You just like handing it to me, like,
yeah, sorry.
take it off. I don't
Yeah.
want it.
I don't know. I was about to eat. It's a nice crop.
There it is.
See you later, buddy.
See you later, buddy. Something just ate me. I watched it on the screen. I watched your pull.
Did you?
Yeah, I seen it like as it happened, and then you set the hook, and I'm like, oh dang, she's actually got it. Yeah, it was interesting. A lot of food up here yet.
A lot of fish down there yet.
Wow. She's choosing fish over food. Now start lifting a little bit. There we are. That's a good one.
That's a nice one.
Just go.
He's alright.
Yeah.
Night crop.
You said they don't want the waxy though. You just said they don't want waxy.
They didn't.
Oh, they didn't?
They didn't.
Okay.
The 3 others that came up and looked did not.
Here we are.
See you later, crop.
Catching crappies, eating beans, eating venison, out in the shack. Let's go. Bye, buddy. Nice. Donkey.
Lots of head shakes.
That might be a bluegill. Yeah.
Late night bluegill.
Wild.
Ooh, he's got the weird fin.
Yeah, that's crazy. See that? I'm saying that's why you got to get above them. That's a good one.
Yeah, he's about the same as the others, but
But yeah, we don't want to risk it.
but
Risk of it a biscuit. Ellie, give it
still a
kisses.
nice crappie.
Ellie says hi, buddy. Hi. Nice. Still go down.
There
See?
he goes.
He's going. That thing hammered you. Just do a nice lift. The bluegill.
Nice big bluegill again.
Big bluegill. Take that. Ooh, he's got her down there. Why don't you hold her? You scared to hold on to him now?
No.
Since you got poked.
See you
That
later,
is
buddy.
the cold snap taker outer thingy. Works pretty decent.
Fast.
They work great. Whoa, I was gonna say, that don't look like it got you good.
Ooh, another pink gill.
Big old bluegill.
Mm-hmm.
Nice job.
Oh, cheers.
Wow, that's
Massive.
that is a solid guy. Again, they're all just so big.
These bluegills are so big.
And it's 6:21 and we're
So big.
big old bluegills. Nice. Waggy, waggy, waggy. Oh, it's so cute.
All right, one more.
Oh, bluegill.
What's happening?
6:30 at night, bluegills.
What?
Mixed in with the crappies.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Out of the water.
You're like, you're coming with me.
Yep, we're staying for another 10 minutes.
That's it? Not 20?
We'll see.
We'll see. Glow up this little eyeball thing.
Have a couple snacks. Go see. Strawberry bread or some snickerdoodles. Snickerdoodles are all frozen now.
I have 2 that I didn't eat yet.
Oh, we can
I
stop
think
at
they're in my
DG.
pocket right now.
We can stop at DG and get milk.
Are they in my pocket? Where did I put those 2? I don't know, but I had 2. Yeah, we should stop and get milk. I really want to do that.
Ellie, in. Come on. Ellie, up. Come on. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Stay right there.
Oh, she wants to lay.
You want to lay down? Go lay on the go lay on.
She's like, but I want to lay right here because you're gonna you bring the fish up to me, Mama.
You go lay in.
What does she want to do? What is she? She's like, I want to be on you. As there's fish just swimming through.
There.
We are gonna pack her up. It's 7:30 and we said we were gonna leave at 7 and some fish came through and there's fish down there right now. It's
Yeah.
hard leaving
Yeah, there's fish down there.
when there's fish, but they're just slow and lethargic and not really doing anything.
Yeah, we haven't had a bite since probably like 6:45.
Been a minute.
Yeah.
But the 2 tip-ups outside, we had a couple minnow trips. You got one little walleye right away.
Yeah.
But caught some nice bluegill, caught some really nice crappie. So it's kind of a new spot. Put the shack in this spot so I can take some guys fishing. If you guys want to get fishing and fish in this shack, check out my website. Pick a day, let's go fishing. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can tune into all of our adventures and check out the other videos that are up on the screen. And thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Ooh, she loving.
Yeah. Just tired.
Look at all the fish that came in when we turned the lights on.
Just tired from seeing all the fishies.
She's like, Papa, Mama, so many fish.